market. All the things. Okay. Good evening, friends. It's like, it really is after 10 o'clock. We have an addiction. So tonight we're going to be pouring on a canvas that we just prepped. I will link that video here. And we put push pins in the bottom of it so that we can get our hands under it. Oops, sorry. So that we can lift it and maneuver it and do all the things. And I'll link all the colors and materials and all that fun stuff in the description below. But while he's measuring out the resin, I'll go ahead and tell you that that's a Mehron, and you'll see amazing things from it. It's probably one of the best things. And then that's Amsterdam bluish green, probably. Peacock Teal by Deco Art. It's craft paint. And that is watercolor Hydrus ink called Blue Aqua. Oh, also, we're using Marine.
I'm wasting it.
Huh?
Thick into the thing because it's so thick.
We're using Marine, 2-part epoxy, which means it's a 1-to-1 measurement, and I'm drawing a blank.
Just 1-to-1. At all.
Oh yeah, and also it's important to mix it evenly and thoroughly because, just trust me, it just won't turn out right if you don't.
People can send us stuff if they want.
Send us popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks, pigments. We'll try your pigments if you would
Susanna
like.
Dunks. I'm still not.
How do you
Someone
not
give me
know how to say
clarification
that woman's
because
name?
I don't know. I've never gotten clarification on that.
Does she have an accent?
Yeah.
You know,
What? So which one would you go with?
you know what they say.
Dot dot dot.
Always a long vowel over a
Hand in the bush.
short. Yeah,
Thanks.
for a European name. I'm just playing. I don't know how to speak European.
Speak European. Collectively. Also, I want to see your creations. Hashtag us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, smoke signal, carrier pigeon. Want to see it. Hashtag us so we can check it out. What's your impression of this resin? Like it? Don't like it?
It's just the viscosity is like it's so off. Like it's so much thicker than the V. Alright, so
That is strange.
not too much gold.
Moo, where you going? That's cutie.
Right after this one, I want to use this crazy black cherry color. And I made this really weird brown with gold in it. With this gold. I don't know why. On a white canvas. Possibly a black canvas, who knows? That
Might get wild and crazy.
might not be a bad choice there. Oh yeah, stuff way thins out when you heat it up, that's for sure.
But that's good. I mean, it makes it workable. It makes it stretch. You can cover more surface area. I saw a comment on one of the Facebook groups today about basically their whole wardrobe is paint clothes because they'll buy something and decide to paint and not think to change clothes. I was like, we can totally relate. Everything's art clothes. And look at Jeff's jeans. Let me see your testing colors patch right there.
Yeah, everything I own has paint on it. So I don't buy nice clothes. Because I don't look good in them.
He's a liar.
And I just end up getting paint on them.
Oh, what I was saying earlier. Susanna is sending us some of her
She could give me some alcohol with a
pigment powders and pastes via Miss Laura.
Sorry.
The whites up here. Also, Jeff made a this for our paints.
I didn't make anything, I just transferred the paint.
Yeah, and you put a light on it, which basically means you're a carpenter.
Oh my god.
Hey.
This old art studio.
Oh, and the white is Castin Craft. You've seen that a lot on our channel. It's bananas at giving.
Right, so I'm gonna do
cells.
something different.
What's that?
Well, maybe not, maybe I'll do. I just wanna do one big puddle. I don't wanna do, cause I hate those lines that I get. Is that, oh, I guess cause it's pretty thin, so it's gonna do that. So I'm just gonna pour out the majority, save some for extra lines. That is like the weirdest pour ever. Did not do what I thought it was going to do.
I think if you tilted it back towards you, it would pull up the blue that it rolled over because it's popping up. Okay.
Side.
Yeah, that looks good. It was very beachy.
saw that teal come through.
Just doing some pretty things. Look at that edge.
Unfortunately, it will never stay like that. But look at that.
And now it's very under the sea. The gold is making the camera not want to focus. Dude, that's a gorgeous piece. Like these, now hard people try to get these large cells. I don't know that I would mess with it too much more. Alright guys, so this is the piece. She's still wet. Huge, gorgeous cells that look white from one angle, gold to the next.
Yeah, it's like a changing. It's like octopus style.
Into the baking chamber till Miana. All right, people. See you next time. Bye.